Check it out, folks, the town of Jasper, all covered in fresh snow. It just snowed last night. It's middle of the afternoon. I'm just hiking up this little trail here that goes up and out of town. Just gonna wander up here for a minute, show the pretty scene. This is a trail that I've hiked up tons and tons of times, but I don't know. Yeah, I have been up here in the snow before. Last year when I was up here, because I did a music video in the snow to the song Teardrop by Massive Attack out this trail, and then there gets to a clearing where there's a Jeep road that goes through, and so yeah, it snowed a week ago, or that might have been 2 weeks ago now, and I got some footage of that snowstorm, but that was a different hike that I went up that time. That was other side of town, up Old Fort Point. Definitely a pretty sight. All right, I'm gonna keep on hiking here. Take care.